Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make a website on Wix, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm already on my dashboard for one of my sites, but I'm going to go ahead and create a new one just to show you guys how that's done. Now, I'll just click on my site and click create a new site. Once you make a Wix account, you'll automatically be brought to the screen to make your own site, and as you can see, the first prompt you get is for an AI assistant, where you can enter some prompts and use that to build your site. I won't be doing that, but it is very simple to use and it is very useful in certain situations. Now, if you skip that, you here have 4 steps which you can go through. You can set up which kind of business you want to create. I'll just select blog. You don't need to select anything. You can skip in the bottom right. Then you can set up the business name and a description. I'll skip this step. And here you can set up the goals for your site. I'll skip that as well. And what else do you need to manage your site? You can click whichever one of these you want. I'll click run your site on mobile as well, advertise on Google, yada yada yada, then click finish. And then once you load up your dashboard, your site will be made. Now, your site will exist, however, you still need to design your site, to design the front end, how it's going to look. So to do that, what you're going to do is once you're in your dashboard, you can go to the bottom left or in the top right and click design site wherever you find it, and you'll be brought to your editor. And you can see you can generate design with AI or pick a template. I'll pick a template, and I'll, for example, use this one, click edit, and now that is set as the template for your site. And now I'll be taken to the website editor where I can make any necessary changes to my site. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.